Hello, my name is Jens Züger. I'm from Hamburg, Germany. I'm a holistic musician, gong musician, and a sound researcher since 1985. And I have the honor to present to you, item number 2 of the Flower of Life edition from Meinl. And we already spoke about the Flower of Life in connection with the gong. And here we have item number 2, which is a tuning fork. This tuning fork vibrates, of course, in the frequency of 128 Hertz, which actually means it shakes, it vibrates 128 times a second, and that's why it produces the vibration. This vibration can be heard as a sound when you place it on a table or any resonating object. But the purpose for this tuning fork is, once you have activated it, and one good way is to just hold it on this fabulous, very practical grip. Do not hold it here, hold it right here. Be sure that it's swinging easy in your hand and that you have the gravity being a swing force, and using gravity as a swing force, you hit it right here on your hand. It's not supposed to hurt yourself. And then, for example, you place it on your hand. And what happens is that the vibration will be transferred just right inside your body. And you experience the effects of this frequency of Flower of Life. And once you are used to handle this beautiful practical instruments, actually you can take it everywhere. You can take it outside, you take it to the beach, you take it on holidays, and you can even be very creative. And this whole topic of holistic sound healing is about creativity, and it's about communicating. And you start to communicate with yourself, with whatever comes in your mind, and you just do it. And this wonderful frequency will help you to have a very effective communication on levels you may not even have known so far. And once you are used, you can even get into the area deeper and deeper. For example, you take all the fingers. Finally, I will give you a little trick, a little hint. This is advanced technology. So when you place the tuning fork on the tip of your finger, you balance it in a way that you use the gravity as a balancing force. When you hold it, I see sometimes people have it this way or that way, and then you need some energy to hold it actually. You want to have all your energy available to be in connection with your breathing wave and have very subtle impulses of this frequency. This is a very good advanced technique, and in case if you have good experience or any questions, please contact the Sonic Energy Collection area on Facebook, and we will be very happy to communicate with you about the effects of the Flower of Life tuning fork.